5 Best Gas Chainsaws. The item number 5 is DEWALT DCCS670X1 FlexVolt 60 volts. The DEWALT DCCS670X1 60V Max brushless chainsaw with 3.0 Ah battery features a low kickback 16 inches Oregon bar and chain for construction and outdoor cutting applications. It also offers a chain brake for added kickback protection. The item number 4 is Husqvarna 242 horsepower chainsaw. Professional performance does not always require gas. Husqvarna's battery-powered chainsaws are highly efficient and equipped with a powerful 36 volts Li-ion battery pack. These quiet, lightweight and well-balanced chainsaws provide up to 10 hours of runtime between charges when used with backpack batteries. The item number 3 is BLACK+DECKER LCS10 20 volts max, 20 volts max lithium battery for long runtime and long life, stays charged up to 5x longer, 10 inches premium Oregon low kickback bar and chain. Compatible with 20 volts max outdoor and power tools. Lithium-ion battery, lightweight, long life, and no. The item number 2 is Remington RM1425 Lemon Trim 8 amp. Designed to cut small limbs and saplings, the Remington RM1425 Lemon Trim electric chainsaw provides rugged construction and user-friendly features. The Lemon Trim is equipped with an 8 amp motor and has a 14-inch low kickback bar and chain. The item number 1 is Worx 16-inch 14.5 amp. The Worx 16 inches 3.5 horsepower 14.5 amp chainsaw is a cut above the rest. For starters, the exclusive Worx patented tool-free chain replacement and auto-tensioning system eliminates the headaches faced with most other chainsaws. No lumberjack experience necessary to operate this chainsaw. The auto-tension system